Gusto mo ba ng libreng mugs and tires sa Binfast mo? Good news guys! Extended pa rin ang Ads Garage X Binfast Collaboration Transformation Campaign kung meron kang Binfast BF3 or Limo Green owner ka at support ka sa eco-friendly lifestyle at ito na ang chance mo na manalo ng free modification sa Ads Garage. Ang hinahanap po namin is one owner ng BF3, one owner ng Limo Green. Madali lang sumali guys. Magko-comment ka lang below or magpo-post dito sa community ng eco-friendly initiative mo at short story kung paano ka tumulong sa greener future. Example po natin, recycling, planting trees, using clean energy, and then reducing waste. Gusto po naming marinig ang story mo at mamimili si Binfast Philippines ng mga winners. At huwag kalimutan ang ating official hashtags. Ito siya. Extended ang submission of entries until May 18, 2026, ngayong Monday na. Kaya sali na at sama-sama tayong mag-inspire ng mas maraming tao toward a greener future with Binfast. Don't forget to share this video as well. Maraming salamat po.